guys? It's JR, aka J from the block, aka Big J.
In the car, man. Say what's up to the vlog, my brother.
What's your vlog?
Yeah, we about to go hiking today, Bear Mountain.
But yeah, guys. Oh, and also, guys, you know, had to rep my boy.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, PG sweats.
Nah, because why the fuck are you repping the wrong sweats in the wrong car?
Oh shit!
Should've worn the bitter sauces today, man.
I should've worn.
If it went a UK, would have had an AK-47 with 100 rounds. Red carpet on my trackie and Air Max. They want to play with a London style. We ain't got generational wealth, got a couple of mil for my unborn child. If I pay man £100,000.
All right, we made our first pit stop, man. Hashtag we like the Team AMP. Team AMP, but fuck it.
We got fan numbers.
Everybody gotta start. Wait, why is he fan?
Yo.
Bias, class 2026, Brew College, you already know what it is.
Sebastian, class of 2026.
Hey, Duke University, class of 2026.
Oh shit!
What's good, guys? It's JR, aka J from the block, aka Big J. Let's get this hiking.
Talk on these rides. Mine on the road. Your dilated eyes. Watch the clouds float. White for rock.
Hope Core. Hope Core.
Fuck. I'm trying to think of whole courses I've seen.
Your future deserves more attention than your past.
Keep going. Because then it comes to the part where it's like...
Don't attribute. Fuck.
Oh my god! Get the fuck out!
See what you can see? Trials and tribulations make you tougher. Go through them.
Now keep going. It's gonna be
It's more than a fucking saying, that's what it is, bro.
spot, bro. Young Kings, man. The group leaders.
That's right there.
Nah, that's not me. That's your rain right there.
His idea to come out here.
No.
Yo, he's blended in.
Yo!
Yo, where he at?
Yo, where's the Sebastian go?
Yo, why is it just liquid, just like pouring, like just coming out? No.
So we made it to the checkpoint, man. Look at the lads, bro. 7 young, intelligent men just hiking and pondering about life. Real stoics.
Oh, you got power. Superpowers.
Yo,
Do you even know how to wield them? I got children. Are special, but not like you.
bro.
No, not like you.
What you doing, man?
You're just like a flower. You're ever giving. That's a given.
Yo, no one does it better than Chicken Music.
Nobody does it like Sigma.
She with the noobs. Anything is possible. We did it. This is freedom. This.
Yo, this thing is not nonchalant, bro. Yo. You're not. Yo, you're orophobic right now.
He having like a Lion King monologue right now. One day, Simba, this is all gonna be yours.
He's talking to himself.
They're gonna regret it.
Do it again.
What he do?
Yo, now you want to act shy.
Hey, yo, what's that TikTok where you go like this?
Oh yeah, the eating.
Go.
Okay.
We made it to the bottom and shit, man. It's about damn time. But it's kind of cloudy, shit. But we about to get Chinese buffet, maybe. This guy wants Chipotle, but no one's really feeling Chipotle.
No one wants to go to Chipotle.
Everyone is saying, "Yo, let's eat Chinese buffet." This
This is what?
this man right here keeps on saying, "Let's go to Chipotle. Let's go to Chipotle."
Man, nobody want that weak ass hat, man. Get that shit
Oh,
up.
you can get that whenever you
We in
want. bro.
upstate New York, man. We gotta eat something lavish.
Lavish?
Lavish, all right.
You right, bro.
Can we record for you?
He's like, y'all smell like mad but dussy.
Yo, your average is 0 points today, bro. How you pulling your fucking intramural numbers right now? That's crazy.
Damn.
Yeah, we missing someone?
Oh, German.
company. Allows God to keep you safe today. Return home safely.
Amen.
Fire. Fucking that shit up. You fucking that shit up, Mr. Arterix.
No, that. You're not real.
Got another Arterix demon right here.
This shit is delectable.
Not disrespectful, you.
Eating He's like another burger.
I'm not gonna lie. This is a good spot, dog.
Bro, it's only $13, bro. Only imagine what they really giving us right now.
They got talent on this back out here next week. Only Lord knows what this is. They know that they're having in here. Mac and cheese. They knew we were coming.
They probably got mad excited when I told them it was 8 people. We got cameraman JH in the building, man. JH.
Arky J.
Arky J in the cut. Oh wait, hold on. Arky J in the cut, man. Big arcs. Big arc.
Type shit. And the
Type
rest
shit.
is just-
Hey. She with the noops.
Yo, you know who this nigga reminds me of?
She with the
dude
noops.
from the Foster home?
Alright, we're back in the car. Successful day. We just finished eating at the buffet. Had some good deer knuckles and cow ass. Shit was $12.99. We can't complain in this economy, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we about to head home and I don't even know. Finish the rest of the day or some shit like that.
Wait, you want to redo it with the